In this video we are going to try and test the functioning of the if block. To do that we need to drag a data component to the surface of the diagram, set bool as the type and let it be the default false. Drag the right arrow and drag it right with the mouse and then choose the if block from the local pop-up menu. The if block, as you can see, represents a conditional branch. It works as follows: if the input data is false, it goes on the upper arrow and it gets to the else branch. If you wish to add more branches, create a switch. Then by clicking on this tiny plus sign, we can create more branches where you can rewrite the value to true or anything you want. To get the original if, delete the new created block and as previously create the default if block. Now that we are ready, we have to test the output of the program. Find a simple dialog to both arrows. You can do that by typing a dialog in the services window. By clicking on simple dialog, it appears on the interface. Let's create another one. In that case, the system asks if we really want to create a new one. Answer yes, and then place it on the diagram interface in an aesthetic and practical way. Connect the false branch of the if block with the upper simple dialog. Set its type to the simple arc button. Choosing value, the simple dialog will display the value coming out of it. And do the same with the other dialog. On the else branch, choose the arc button and version here as well, and value at connection. We are ready with that. Now you only have to run the program. Click the start button as usual. Wait until the analyzer proceed with the necessary task, and as you can see, the dialog box pop up in a second. Here it is. Okay. We can see that the value is false. Close the program and rewrite the value to the true in the data component. Now we expect the program not to execute the true branch of the if due to the false value. The control will proceed on the else branch and the second simple dialog will display value true. Rerun the program, wait until the analyzer runs. When the program executes, we can see that we got the true in the dialog. Close the program finally.